Hi everyone, here we've got DOOGEE X100 and let me show you how to reset digital rights management on this device. So first of all, let's open the list of apps. Let's scroll down and find the settings. Scroll down to the very bottom and choose System and click on Reset Options. As you can see, on the very first position we've got DRM Reset, so simply click on it. Let's click on DRM Reset again, and now your device will ask you if you really want to reset digital rights management. If you want, simply click on OK, and as you can see, a day has been deleted successfully. So that's all. This is how to reset DRM in your DOOGEE X100. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.